Annyeonghaseyo Yorobon. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmed, and today our class is about chapter number 12. Taechung Kyotong is public transport. She is saying Have sae so Shine Kaji. From Havesa, Shine is city, Kaji till Ottoke Khayo. From company to city, how you go? Bus ro Khayo. Ro is by bus. Khayo, I go. Ohvi is about Kyothong. Kyothong is transport. Sudan, Kwalyon is about Ohvi vocabulary. Thada is to ride. Mal bus. Mal bus is a local bus. Mal is actually town. Town bus. Shine is city and bus. City bus. Shive bus and Khosak bus is express bus. Taxi. Taxi. Khicha. This is train. KTX is actually fast and high speed train in Korea. You can also say Khosok Yolcha. Chiha Chol is subway train. Phi Hangi aeroplane. Phe ship. Cha Go cycle. Otobai is motorcycle. Bus Chongryojang is bus stop. Bus terminal is bus terminal. Khichayok, this is train station. Actually, for train station, this word is used yok. Chihachol yok, subway train station. Khonghang is airport. Now there are also some important words. Ottoke is how. Bon is times and number. Olmana how much. Khollida is to take time. This word only used for time. Truck is truck and chum is about. Now we have to point out the related words with the pictures. So this is a train. We have to point out here yok. Next is Chongryojang is bus stops, that's why. And third is Khonghang airport for aeroplane. Now we have Monphob number 1. Monphob is grammar. Ero and ro. This is like by bus, by train, by aeroplane. If you are going to say by bus, I am going by bus, I am going by train, I am going by aeroplane, then you can use ero and ro. If the last letter of your word is consonant, then we add ero. If the last letter of your word is a vowel or a real, then we add only ro. There are some examples. Yogi Kaji Ma'al bus ro vasayo. I came here by bus. Havesa e chiha chollo khayo. I go to my company by subway train. Hanguk eso chongguk kaji ottoke khayo. From Korea to China, how you go? Phero khayo. Phero is by ship. If the last letter ended with a vowel, we just add ro. If the last letter ended with a consonant, we must say ero. Now there is a phogi. Phogi is havesa e otoke vayo. How you come to company. Otobairo vayo. I come to company by motorcycle. Now in number 1. Shi jange otoke khayo. How you go to market. So we have chajon go. The last letter is vowel. We can say chajon go ro khayo. I go to market by a bicycle. Number 2. Chib e ottoke vayo. We have mal bus. We can say mal bus ro vayo. I came by bus. Number 3. Khonghange ottoke khasayo. Khonghang is airport. Khonghange ottoke khasayo. How you went to airport. We can say chiha chollo khasayo. I went there by subway train. Number 4. Hanguke otoke vasayo. How you came to Korea? We can say 피행기로 왔어요. I came here by aeroplane. Now we have more exercise. Phogi is look at the picture first. This is Seoul, Busan, and Thu Shigan Sashipun, and the transport is KTX. Seoul ESO, Busan Kaji, KTX Ro, Thu Shigan Sashipun Kholyoyo. From Seoul to Busan by KTX, it takes 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now we have question number 1. Here is Havesa company, Kisuksa is my room, and ship open is the time. Now we can say Havesa eso Kisuksa kaji chajon goro ship open kholyoyo. From company to my room by a bicycle, it takes 15 minutes. Number 2, we have Hanguk, Korea, Taeguk, Thailand. Dasot Shigan Ban is 5.5 hours. We can say Hanguk eso Taeguk kaji. Pi hangiro Dasot Shigan Ban kholyoyo. From Korea to Thailand by aeroplane, it takes 5.5 hours. Number 3, we have Chib House, Pyeongwon Hospital, Ishipon is 20 minutes, and this is taxi. We can say Chibeso Pyeongwon Kaji, Thek Shiro, Ishipon Kholyoyo. From my home to hospital by a taxi, it takes 20 minutes. Number 4, we have Havesa company and Shine is city. Samshipun 30 minutes and we have bus. Havesa eso Shine kaji bus ro Samshipun kholyoyo. From company to city by bus, it takes 30 minutes. Now we have conversation number 1. Let's listen.
내일 공항에 가야 돼요.
Neil, tomorrow, Konghang is airport. Khaya deo must go.
회사에서 공항까지 어떻게 가요?
Havesa eso from company. Konghang kaji to airport. Ottoke khayo how I can go.
버스로 가요.
Busro khayo you can go by bus.
몇 번 버스를 타야 돼요?
Myot pun bus, which number bus thaya deo I have to take.
회사 앞 버스 정류장에서 100번 버스를 타세요.
Havesa up in front of company. Bus Chongryojang bus stop. So Bekpun 100 number. Bus thaseo take the bus. Take bus number 100 at bus stop in front of our company.
공항까지 버스로 얼마나 걸려요?
Konghang Kaji, Konghang is airport. Kaji till Busro by bus. Olmana how much kholyo it takes. How long does it take to get the airport by bus?
1시간쯤 걸려요.
Han Shigan chum about 1 hour kholyo it takes. Now we have two questions. Madu Shinan Konghang Kaji Otoke Khalkoyeyo. How will Madu go to airport? We can say Basro Khalkoyeyo. Number 2. Havesa eso Konghang Kaji Basro Olmana Kholyoyo. How long does it take from the office to the airport by bus? So it takes about 1 hour. We can say Han Shigan Chum Kholyoyo. Now we have an exercise. Shine otoke khayo. How I can go to city. Basro khayo. By bus you can go. Shine kaji basro olmana kholyoyo. If I go by bus, how does it takes? 20분 좀 걸려요. It takes about 20 minutes. Now we have to make our sentences by these words. 오체국 에 어떻게 가요? 오토바이로 가요? 오체국까지 오토바이로 얼마나 걸려요? 5분쯤 걸려요. Now we have pronunciation. Let's listen.
1. 타,
타,
따,
따,
타,
타,
도,
토,
또,
또,
토.
토,
2. 다리,
다리,
또래,
또래,
타조,
타조. Now we have vocabulary number 2. It's about movement. 이동 관련 어휘. 타다 is to ride. 타고 가다 is to go by a transport. 타고 오다 is to come by a transport. 걸어가다 is to go on foot. 걸어오다 is to come on foot. 내리다 is to get off. 갈아타다 is transfer. 하완성하다 is also transfer. 지나다 is to pass. 걷다 to walk. 출근 시간 is work start time. 퇴근 시간 is work end time. 출퇴근 시간 is both timing, work start time and work end time. Chaga makida is to have a traffic jam. Now there are also some words. Khakapda is to be close. Molda is to be far. Nidda is late and Mian Hada is to be sorry. Now we have to make our sentences, but first of all we have a phogi. Phogi is Khongwone 어떻게 가요? Khongwone 어떻게 가요? How you go to park? 걸어가요? I go on my foot. Number 1. 회사에 어떻게 와요? How you come to company? 버스를 타고 와요. I come to my company by bus. Number 2. 제주도까지 어떻게 갔어요? How you went to 제주도 island? 비행기를 타고 갔어요. I went there by an aeroplane. Number 3. 여기까지 어떻게 왔어요? How you came here? We can say 걸어 왔어요. I came here on foot. Now we have munpab number 2. Also, also. Also, also. Actually, this is because of. Because of. And if the last letter is A and O, then we must add also. If the last letter of your word is other than A and O, then we must add also. And in Hada format, we add just heso. Like Sada, Saso, Ilkda is Ilkoso, and Chongsu Hada is Chongsu Heso. 비가 와서 우산을 샀어요. Because of rain, I bought umbrella. Number 2. 할머니께서 편찮 으셔서 병원에 모시고 갔어요. Because my grandmother is ill, that's why she went to hospital for admit. Number 3. 과일이 싱싱해서 몇 개 샀어요. Because the fruits are fresh, I bought some. Now there are some words we have to use in our blanks by adding also, also and heso. Number 1. Now there is a phogi first. 회사가 멀어서 차를 타고 가야 합니다. Because my company is far, that's why I go there by a car. Now in number 1, chonan ko phiral chua hai so because I like coffee me'il daily mashimnida I drink. Number 2, 날씨가 추워서 집까지 걸어갔어요. Because the weather was good, that's why I came to my home on foot. Number 3, सुबह की नौमों फीसा सौ because the watermelon was very expensive. Saji anasamnida I did not buy. Number 4, Tharashinan Chinjal he so Saramdari Tharashiral Chua Hamnida. Because Thara is a kind person, that's why everyone like him. Now there is a exercise. Ve chajon goral thago khayo. Why you go there by a bicycle? 날씨가 추워서 because the weather is good. 차 좋은 거를 타고 가요. I go there by a bicycle. Now we have some words. We choose some of them to complete our sentences below. In number 1, there is 왜 지하철을 타고 왔어요. Why you came here by a subway train. So in number 1 we can add 차가 막혀서 왔어요. Because the traffic was jammed, that's why I take a subway train. Number 2, 왜 저 식당? Why that restaurant? 사람이 많아요, have many customers. Now we add this one. 음식이 맛있어서 사람이 많아요. Because the food is delicious, that's why there are so many customers. Number 3, 왜 여름은 안 추워해요? Why you don't like summer? We can say 날씨가 더워서 여름은 안 추워해요. Because the weather is very hot, that's why I don't like summer. Number 4, 왜 오늘 밖에서 운동을 안 해요? Why you not go out for exercise today? We can say this one. 비가 많이 와서 밖에서 운동을 안 해요. Because of rain, I not go out for exercise. Now there is our Theva number 2. Let's listen.
늦어서 미안해요.
늦어서 because of late 미안해요. I'm sorry.
퇴근 시간이라서 차가 조금 막혔어요.
퇴근 시간 is work of time 이라서 because of 차가 조금 막혔어요. There is a little traffic jam.
괜찮아요. 여기까지 버스를 타고 왔어요.
괜찮아요. It's okay. 여기까지 버스를 타고 왔어요. Did you came by bus?
네. 자하라 씨는 어떻게 왔어요?
자하라 씨는 어떻게 왔어요? How did you come, Zahra?
저는 회사가 가까워서 걸어왔어요.
저는 회사, my company, 가까워 is near. 걸어왔어요, I walked. So my company is near, that's why I came here on foot.
회사에서 얼마나 걸렸어요?
회사에서 얼마나 걸렸어요? How long did it take from work?
20분쯤 걸렸어요.
20분쯤 걸렸어요. It take about 20 minutes. Now we have two questions. One is 아콩 씨 왜 약속 시간에 늦었어요? Why was Akong late for the appointment? We can say 차가 막혀서 늦었어요. Because of traffic jam, he was late. 자하라 씨는 시내까지 어떻게 왔어요? How did Zahra get to downtown? So our answer is 걸어왔어요. She came here on foot. Now there is a exercise. 오늘도 today also 하회사 a company 걸어왔어요. You came on foot. 아니요, no 택시를 타고 왔어요. I came here by a taxi. 왜 택시로 타고 왔어요? Why you came here by a taxi? 회사에 늦어서 택시로 왔어요. Because I was late from my company, that's why I take taxi for coming. Now we have to exchange these words. 오늘도 회사에 걸어왔어요. Today you also came on your foot. Then 아니요, no. 지하철을 타고 왔어요. I came here by a subway train today. 왜 지하철을 타고 왔어요? Why you came by a subway train? 날씨가 너무 추워서 지하철을 타고 왔어요. Because the weather was not good, that's why I came here by a subway train. Now we have a useful expression, so let's listen.
좀 천천히 말씀해 주세요.
좀 천천히 is slowly. 말씀해 주세요. Please talk.
1,500원이에요.
1,500won is 1,500 won.
죄송하지만 좀 천천히 말씀해 주세요.
죄송하지만 is I'm sorry but 좀 a little 천천히 slowly 말씀해 주세요 kindly speak again. So we can use this expression when we not understand properly someone's talk. Thanks for watching.